Let's check out what's in the July Ipsy Glam Bag. Ooh, nice. I already see something interesting. And before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Ooh, sneak peek brush. Oh, interesting. Like, I had looked at it a little bit online, but I did not know it was like this. Do you see that? Look at the bag. It's kind of like see-through. That's nice. The bag just says escape. Ooh, and it matches my nails, kind of. Oh, we have a nice mint little airplane here. How cute is that? I think the bag is bad at all. And you just have these beautiful palm trees. See your little pamphlet. It says take a break. Yeah, take a break from the ordinary. Let loose and go with the flow. Pretty cool. Let's start with the one thing that was outside of the box. So we have a brush here. This is by Firma Beauty. And what is this? Oh my god. How can you do this to me? Look at it. It's broken. We did not start this off good. I don't know if it was like during shipping. I don't think they would have sent it out like this. Maybe they threw it during shipping. But that sucks. This has never happened. And this is the Firma 201. Bummer. What do I say? Let's hope the other things in this bag make up for that. This is by the Balm. What is this? It's called Will Powder Blush. I'm pretty sure I received the blush last time from the Balm. I don't remember. And how in the world do you open this? And it's called Perseverance. It's like a little match case here. Okay, what? I'm so confused. This is a blush? Okay. Is a blush. I already see that it has some like shimmer. I don't usually go for like shimmers in my blushes. I have some. Just go ahead and swatch this, okay? Again, it's called Perseverance. Let's see how it shows up. Not bad. Alright, you know what? It actually looks beautiful. And you can't really see a lot of the shimmer. It depends, I guess, how you turn. But that's really pretty. And it looks like a nice, decent amount. I'm excited. I will definitely be using this. I really like the color. I'm like a peach girl. And this is good. Look at that. Obviously, I blended it out a lot, but you get a little bit of shine, so just keep that in mind. So it will be, I guess, like a healthy glow, but if you're oily like me, I don't know how much you would like that. That's why I stick to a lot of like matte makeup, but I'll give that a try. Like my Luminoso has a little bit of like some glow, shine, and you know I'm obsessed. Ooh, hello, what are you? This is called Mud Mask. What? Mud Mask Guy. I'm gonna stop reading it because I'm probably, yeah. Facial Detox Purifying Recovery Mask. Ooh. Wait, it says hydrating? Pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, smoothing. I love the color. It's so cute, nice and small. Let me go ahead and open this up. And it says not tested on animals, paraben free. Wash your face and hands. Apply a thin layer on your face. Leave mask on for 7 to 11. How exact? 7 to 11 minutes and experience a slight tingling sensation. Dry skin 7 minutes, normal 9 minutes, oily 11 minutes. Alright, so 11 minutes for me. Remove mask with cold water. Alright, so I can't wait to try this. Does it come sealed? Yes. Just want to see how it looks. Really excited about everything that it says here until you get to the hydrating part, just because. Yeah, it feels like a mud mask. Can't wait to try. I'll let you know maybe if it like breaks me out or something. Cool. I like skincare a lot, so I have no problem. Have here some little palette. Cute. This is by Jules Smith Beauty, I believe. Can someone tell me why did they stop putting the products and the information? Let's look at it. Alright, so it's really cute. If you like neutrals or browns, look at that. Let me do some swatches. So this is called Wise Guy and Gold Mine. Right, this is made in China. Really cute. Again, if you like neutrals and you want to take this like on the go, that would be good. But let's go ahead and swatch it and see what this is gonna look like. So I'm doing this first shade here, which is what? Wise Guy? Oh, that is very pretty. Look at that. And now let's do, what are you? Gold Mine. Wow. Oh yeah. Pigment there for sure. Maybe because they're not matte, but wow, that is pretty. Imagine smoky eye right there. I like it. I like it a lot. We have a body lotion here. This is plant-based ingredients. See, that's what it's called, based. Listen, most of these brands I've never heard of. Body lotion, seductive sandalwood. Ooh, I like sandalwood. I can't wait to smell this. Get it on. What? Oh my god. Get it on, get naked, rub onto skin. Clothing is optional after. Okay, brand. They sealed. And how much product do we get here? This is made in Canada. We get 1 ounce. I really like the bottle. Oh. No. Just no. Not for me, I'm sorry. If you get this and you like this, well, even better. Good for you, but no, just no. That's all I can say. I do not like the scent. I just dirtied the bottle with some eyeshadow, so I was thinking to give it away, but yeah, I don't know. Hopefully someone will want this because that smell in me, it's a big no-no. Always die for brushes, so I'm really sad that this one is broken. I'm not even gonna bother to contact them. God knows how long they would take to send it, and I'm pretty sure it's not their fault. I really think they wouldn't have sent a brush like this. But I really like the bag though, so the bag is good. Ooh, you know what? I'm like, what's itching? What's feeling like that? And it's the mask. It's itching. It said that you would feel some tingling or something, right? Yeah, a tingling sensation. So I feel it. I want to wash it. I want to wash it. I'm hot and now I'm itchy. So I want to wash it. By the way, if you like this look, which first time I do something so colorful, it was with this palette here, the Trendy in Tokyo by BH Cosmetics. This video is going up first, so after that I'll be posting this. It was a disaster, but this was the final look. So if I had to rate this bag, I would give it a 5, 6. I don't want to be too harsh. A 6. So all the time I'm like, should I cancel it? Should I cancel it? But not yet. Not yet. I know you guys want me to try another subscription. I don't know which one though. I hear a lot of bad things like of BoxyCharm's customer service, so I'm like scared. I know there's so many different. Which one do you think is worth it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.